Hey everyone, so I'm just hanging out here in my jungle room, and I figured we'd talk about soil and what I use in most of my tropicals. So usually when I bring home a newly purchased tropical from the plant store, I will actually transplant it into the soil that I make at home. I use very kind of like a peat-based professional potting mix, and then I add a whole bunch of other goodies to it. You can see here I got a little sample of it. I add Leca, I add charcoal, I add bark, organic compost, usually mushroom compost, or I'll even use dead leaves from certain plants. So I try to emulate the soil conditions that your tropical plant would come from in the jungle. So you think in the jungle floor, you're looking at a lot of leaf debris, mushrooms, other like dead insects or whatever, worms, or the worm castings are even really good to add. So I try and do my best to emulate the soil conditions in my plants at home, give them the best quality of life as possible. I also, the bark, charcoal, and the Leca also work well for good drainage too, so you don't just completely saturate your plant full of water and then you end up getting root rot and it dies. Don't want that. So yeah, I'll leave a list in the description area. You can actually take a peek at what I'll add. You can go out to your local garden store, pick up your own stuff. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Subscribe and tune in to some more videos, and follow us on Instagram and Pinterest and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.